Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to learn 30 useful English sentences with their Urdu meanings. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And try to memorize them. Let's start our class. Wake up. Sleep well. Eat it. Drink water. Wash your hands. Comb your hair. Turn left. Turn right. Don't cry. Don't laugh. Smile please. Drive safely. Call me. Wait for me. Follow me. Stop here. Go straight. Are you enjoying this really? Next lesson is come fast. Walk slowly. Run quickly. Don't look back. Be careful. Help me. Leave it. Pick it up. Put it down. Switch on the light. Switch off the light. Close the door. Open the window. Don't touch it. Don't worry. Listen to me. Speak slowly. Don't shout. Be quiet. Don't move. I request please must repeat after me. Next lesson is sit down. Stand up. Come here. Go there. Look at me. Your support keeps us growing. Hit that subscribe button. If you like today's sentences, show your love with a like. Share your thoughts in comments and subscribe for more. Take care of yourself.